Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torlock as well Grand Terrace. So what is behind me? It's one of the famous, unique rear kitchen Redwood Fifthwheel. It's called the 401 LK. And 401 LK or 401 or 41 LK, it has a big kitchen in the back, but the kitchen is unique where you make you a big separation between the kitchen and the living area, as well the central area as the master suite. So stay tuned with me in this video. I know sometimes people, they just watch a couple of minutes and they just want to run, but I'm gonna point to you the new changes Redwood they made on this particular unit and why you want to consider this unit if you're going to be a full-timers, or if you don't want to pay any rent to nobody and you want to stay in a fifth wheel. This is a perfect unit because it gives you four rooms in one big fifth wheel. And let me show you, explain it to you. It's a high-end luxury fifth wheel. It's full body paint, so all this striping, all this black and gray, and the diagram all is paint, not is decal. Now higher ceiling, so if you notice the ceiling is tapered a little bit in the back, but it's a higher ceiling in the front, so a 6.2 could walk no problem in the unit. So in the new version they went to a square window, and then they went what we call them metal door. So you could see it's a metal door, no more fiberglass doors. So that's the way it's like the diesel pusher. And by doing a square, they finish the cargo area more nicer, and nothing hanging, no studs, no aluminum, no plastic, no piping. And I give you all this wall for big board, so you could hang things on this board and tie down this one like some fishing pole, whatever you want to put in this one, and tie it. And then you could see here's your central vacuum system, your water manifold, and then you have the big huge water softeners, as well it has a water filtration system on the unit. So that's one thing you need to look on the new Redwood, what they change here. Same thing here is they give you a bigger squarey box door for the propane tank, and you have 7 gallon on one this side and one the other side, and it's easier, and you could hear from when you close it, you don't have a flimsy door, solid and thicker. Endless hot water heater, we talked about it before. That's the square window, and when they go to that square window, they already have built-in shade, and the shade is from the outside is like a foil and to reflect the heat from inside the unit. Redwood is very well known, come with the 2 and 3 year manufacturer warranty. Every slide out on this Redwood has the slide toppers to protect your slide from the pine leaves and bird. Look how beautiful the cap. It's a beautiful with a chrome Redwood decal. This is metal. It's not a paper. And then you have a nice Redwood logo with light, already prepped for camera. It comes already with a hitch in the back for your electric bike. The power cord in the Redwood is on electric reel, not manual. Another slide. And then we're going over here to the docking stations, or where you hook up. You open this first, it has the locks. Man, they're big and solid. You could tell they're thick. And then you have a full docking station, touch screen, touch light. All these lights is touch, where you have a water filtration, city water connection cable hookup, all that hookup, as well the pass-through storage in that unit with lighting right there, beautiful. And you have full access to it. I love this lights. You just touch, and then take space. So actually no, this one first, and then you open the second. And then this is the second tank. Oh my God, strong. Hydraulic leveling system and 6 legs. And then you have the auto leveling system right here. Prep for camera on the side. Additional solar panel on the side if you want to add. And then they went what we call them. They don't waste any space. They give you a room above your generators, compartments, and your battery compartment. So this is the battery compartment. Again, I just put one just to get by, just so I could turn the light on for you. They give you nice finishing storage above the generators as well. You could see here it's already prepped to have the 5.5 LP generators. Even they give you the harness and the transfer switch. That's even plus, so it's ready. And over there, if the cameraman could shoot, you will see the 2000 watt inverter that won't come with the unit. So it has inverter built in, 2000. And again, you just gotta open it. You can hear the metal door. They seal good, so no issue. Oh, let me open this. Done. Done. Okay, let's walk inside the 401 LK and show you why this is a unique floor plan. Folks, I'm inside the brand new 2026 Redwood 401 LK. It is a unique fifth wheel to live in. I wish if I have the ability to take this fifth wheel and run to the road, but I'm stuck here at work making video for you, explaining about all these RVs at Best RVs. And when I'm retired, my dream is to live in one of these fifth wheels. Now, this is super high-end fifth wheel, and I'm gonna point to you what does mean high-end fifth wheel. There's a lot of fifth wheel in the market. I listen to you, I seen a lot of fifth wheel, but which one is giving you a true high-end luxury fifth wheel? That's what I'm gonna, if you stay tuned with me in this video, I'm gonna point to you why. From a floor plan, this is my favorite floor plan because it's giving you a separations between the kitchen, the living area, the bathroom downstairs, the master suite in the top. So if I liked to cook for my wife or like to enjoy cooking and I like more counter space, more cabinet, that is the unit. Why? Because look, I'm in my kingdom. When I'm sitting here, I could watch a beautiful TV in front of me, the cameraman turn. I could see what's the conversation between the family members or friends, and I'm still enjoying cooking, and I'm not in their way, and they're not in my way too. And the amount of the storage and the cabinet and the space is unbelievable. So you have a full U-shape kitchen, and then you have another slide here, which is like the slide, I call it the bar or the pantry or prepping area. So you have this beautiful slide out here, the fridge with the microwave and this cabinet on a slide out. This unit has 4 slide outs. There's 3 in the living, 1 in the kitchen, 2 in the living, 1 in the bedroom. But look at this fixtures of the faucet. Let's just point this first thing. The fixture of the faucet, gold. Water spigot for the water filtration, the soap, the cup dispenser, big sink, switches for light down, light up, ceiling, and you could control it from there while you're standing by the kitchen. Dishwasher, beautiful dishwasher, and it's big. Fisher and Paykel dishwasher. Residential oven, residential stove, you know, residential hood. This is same hood in the fancy houses, and actually run off 110 with fan and light, and you could control the speed and everything. The light you want is right there. Nice spice rack with the Redwood wood, solid. I mean, this is not a plastic, please. This is a solid backsplash, solid counter space, inch. That's 1 inch thickness on the edges. Unlimited spaces. You have your own window with the nice valances. So if you cooking in the morning and you grabbing a nice cup of coffee and you have a nice view of the trees and the mountains and the snow and the rivers and the ocean. Unfortunately, you see a trailer here. But imagine this beautiful window when you wake up in the morning. Unlimited counter space for coffee maker. How many times you need a counter space just to fix the food while you're cooking and put it on the stove? Or you need a plug here to put your toaster or air fryers. If you want to put your air fryer here, the Ninja one, you have room for it. The amount of the cabinet door, I'm not going to open them because everybody say you open too much doors. And we realized, yes, you have plenty doors, but I'm just gonna prove to you, look the amount of the cabinet doors come with this unit. Nice LED underneath the cabinet, and there's more places here, and there's more places here. I mean, plenty storage. You want a place for a trash can? Yes, they give you. There's a nice trash can, nice molding. Place for a trash can bag even. Another pantry. You want pantry? No problem. Here's a pantry. 1, 2, and then the solid wood, bivtail doors. Another, so easy to get stuff. That's what you like in this unit. And then here's another prep area on this unit. So when you have things you want to grab from the microwave, put here, put it, mix it, put it back in the microwave, you have counter space. And I'm still not in anybody way. So that's what the 401k is mean. Rear kitchen, new shape in the back with additional slide. Some manufacturers, they make this floor plan, but they don't give you this slide out here. Now, in the living area, look how this furniture, this is same furniture they use in Tiffin motorhome. I mean, oh, that's really nice, comfy, nice, relaxed. You have a nice hide-a-bed sofa, 2 electric theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace. You have a nice, beautiful fireplace wood. This is solid wood. And you sit here on those theater seating. I just want to enjoy it because I don't have them at my house. Oh, nice. Push the switch. They hug you completely. And physically, I could sleep on this theater seating. Just give me one drink and you will see me snoring the rest of the day. And then you could sit here, watch the movie, you and your lovely wife or your significant other, and then enjoy the living. Life too short. And then coming over here, you have a beautiful dining tables. And this dining tables, you have those touch light, cell phone charger, nice balances. And then this table is multifunction. You open it and then you could slide it more. And then it come with additional chair. They are foldable chair. They're inside the closet or underneath the bed. This is too long for you. You want it to be shorter. You'll pull this handle and push inside, and perfect for one person too. I like this. How many times you sit eating and you want a place to put up plates? That's nice over there. Big cabinets, Bluetooth speakers, you name it. Going over here, you're gonna have a beautiful, I like that arch door. And then you have the second bathroom. Oh, lovely. Oh, I love this backsplash. And you have a nice medicine cabinet, linens, closets, more storage. And the beauty about this unit is you have your guest does not have to use your bathroom, and they don't have to see your bedroom. If they want, come from that door, use the bathroom and leave, or go to the living area. They don't have to see your master bedroom suite on this unit. Going down over here, you have a pocket door. So if I shut this pocket doors, again, no one will see my master bedroom at all, and full privacy. Coat hanger closet, this one, by the way. See, coat hanger. And more storage. I love this unit. Now, coming over here, we have a beautiful king size bed with a nice reading lights. Again, you could control these lights through here. This is a versatile bed, so if I want, I could raise this bed up, gain more storage space here, and it's on a switch. When we turn the AC, blow this wood shaving, and you could see I have plenty room here. There's even doors underneath that electric bed. And then you have a big smart TV facing your bedroom. And then you have a nice storage underneath that vanity. And more closets than anything else. And more doors. So the lady, she could put her makeup if she want. And then these windows is very easy, screen door. Or if you don't want screen, you want to put privacy, voila. But this unit has 3 AC. So you have an AC here in the bedroom, AC in the living room, and AC in the kitchen area. Going over here's, oh my God, that's like the Atlantis in Dubai, or Burj Al Arab in Dubai. I love this shower fixtures. Like, I feel like I'm in Dubai Blink. It's super. Oh my God, this is a glamping. This is not a camping, and this is beyond camping. I mean, even if you go rent an apartment or rent a house, they don't have these kind of fixtures, and you have it in a Redwood. And this makes me speechless by just looking at the fixtures. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice one-piece fiberglass aluminum frame. Place to sit. It could handle weight, no issue. And very roomy, elbow-wise. And then you have a nice big porcelain. It's porcelain? Yeah, it's a porcelain. Even this is residential. Yeah, so it's a residential toilet. And then look how beautiful this arch with the mirrors and the gold in the mirrors and the LED behind it. And then you have a nice crown molding around the bathroom. So this is amazing unit. Love this sink. Oh, this is a glass sink. It's not a plastic. Notice, glass. Yeah, with a nice waterfall faucet. Endless hot water heater. Fantastic fan. Oh, beautiful free breeze. And then you have a fantastic fan with the rain sensors. I love those handles. Oh my God. You guys, who's gonna get this unit? You're gonna be spoiled. I'll be honest with you. This is a spoiling unit. And then look, this beautiful doors. Then even here, traveling latch. So if you worry about traveling, you could close it. And then you have a nice here as you walk in. Voila. Oh, these light. And then you have the stackable washer and dryer. Come with even the tray. And then here's your 2 folding chair. They give it to you. Plenty storage in this closet. I mean, look, all the storage above, side, hanging, you name it. In this particular beautiful Redwood. The 401k, it's really, I mean, when you say Redwood, stop the line. I don't know what to say. There's nothing left. So coming into Best RV, look at this 401LK. See all the new changes, all the new design of brand new 2026 Redwood 401LK with plenty of room. Perfect if you want to live in it. If you want to rather you rent, I go buy one of these and live in it. Come to Best RV. Please click the link underneath. We have it in both locations, Torlock in Northern California and Grand Terrace in Southern California. Come in.